Hello everyone. My name is Akansha Yadav and I am a student teacher from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Today I am here with an exciting lesson on adjectives. Imagine you are describing something, but you have no words for its color, size, or shape. It would be difficult, right? Now, look at this image. What do you see? Now, if I say, this is a beautiful green park with tall trees and bright flowers, doesn't that sound better? These describing words are called adjectives. Let's start with a simple question. What do you see on the screen? Yes, it's an apple. But what if I ask you to describe it? What words would you use? Red, juicy, or sweet? Now, if I say a red, juicy, sweet apple, doesn't it create a clear picture in your mind? These describing words, red, juicy, sweet, are called adjectives. So, basically, an adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun by giving information about its quality, quantity, size, color, shape, or condition. In simple words, adjectives helps us answer the questions: what kind, how many, how much, which one. Now, if we talk about the types of adjectives. Number 1. Adjectives of quality. Look at these two pictures. The first one is a beautiful sunset, and the second one is a polluted city. The words beautiful and polluted describe the quality of these places. These are called adjectives of quality. Second, adjectives of quantity. Now, let's talk about adjectives of quantity. If I say, I have some rice, or I have a lot of rice, these words tell us how much rice I have. They do not give an exact number, but indicate an amount. Number 3. Adjectives of number. If I say, I have 3 apples, or I have 2 pens, these adjectives give an exact number. These are called adjectives of number. Number 4. Adjectives of comparison. The giraffe is taller than the cat, but the cheetah is the fastest. When we compare two or more things, we use comparative and superlative adjectives. Now, let's look at some comparison examples. First, we have the positive form. Tall. It simply describes one thing. For example, the boy is tall. Next, we have the comparative form. taller. We use this when comparing two things. For example, John is taller than Sam. Finally, we have the superlative form, tallest. We use this when comparing more than two things. For example, Tom is the tallest boy in the class. So remember, adjectives change their form when we compare positive for one, comparative for two, and superlative for more than two. Now, let's play a fun game. Look at this picture. Can you describe it using adjectives? For example, I can say, this is a peaceful beach with a warm scent. Now, it's your turn. I will show you some incomplete sentences and you have to complete them using adjectives. Take a moment to think and say your answer aloud. You can even write them down. Try using different adjectives each time. Viewers, did you know? William Shakespeare invented over 1,700 words, including many adjectives like fashionable and lonely. Even superheroes have adjectives in their names. Think of the Incredible Hulk or the Amazing Spider-Man. Adjectives make everything sound exciting. So, adjectives are powerful, aren't they? They make our world more colorful and expressive. Try using more adjectives in your writing and speech. So, today we learned about adjectives words that describe nouns. We explored different types of adjectives, saw fun examples, and even tested our understanding with some questions. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and now feel more confident using adjectives in your daily conversations and writing. In our next class, we'll meet again with another exciting topic that will make learning English even more fun. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and stay curious. See you soon.